Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain antiseptics and disinfectants, crude drugs in pharmacognosy. Then I will explain antiseptics. Antiseptics are those substances which prevent putrefaction or decaying in dead tissues. And disinfectants are the substances which render harmless persons, articles, place, etc., which are liable to cause infection or communicate disease. The following drugs are used as antiseptics and disinfectants. This drug is benzoin. Synonym of benzoin is Loban, gum, benzamine. Benzoin is a balsamic resin occurring in several defined commercial varieties. These are Sumatra benzoin. Sumatra benzoin is medicinally important, and second is Siam benzoin. Siam benzoin in a balsamic resin obtained from the incised stem of Styrax dochinensis belonging to family Styraceae. So, in biological source of Sumatra benzoin and Siam benzoin, both family are same, Styraceae. Then morphology of Sumatra benzoin and Siam benzoin. In Sumatra benzoin, color grayish brown to grey color, odor aromatic and characteristic, taste sweetish, slightly acrid, size it occurs in the forms of lumps and varying size or tears. Tears are externally yellowish milky white and surface is uneven. When it heated, fumes of benzoic and cinnamic acid are produced. Morphology of Siam benzoin. Color yellowish brown to rusty color, odor agreeable, taste acrid in taste. Chemical constituents of benzoin. In Sumatra, benzoin contains free balsamic acid like benzoic acid and cinnamic acid and ester derived from them. And in Siam benzoin, less amount of cinnamic acid present. And in Siam benzoin is an ester coniferyl benzoate present about 76%. And then chemical test and difference between Sumatra and Siam benzoin. First, in Sumatra benzoin, when heated with 10% aqueous potassium permanganate solution, bitter almond like odor is produced due to oxidation of cinnamic acid, which is present in large quantity. But in Siam benzoin, this test is negative as very little quantity of cinnamic acid is present. The next test in Sumatra benzoin, when it heated, fumes of benzoic and cinnamic acid are produced, and in Siam benzoin, when heated, it is softened and become plastic like. Next test in Sumatra benzoin, it is free balsamic acid like benzoic and cinnamic acid, and in Siam benzoin it is ester coniferyl benzoate about 76% and less amount of cinnamic acid present in Siam benzoin. In next test in Siam benzoin, It gives an odor of benzaldehyde. And then next in Siam benzoin, it doesn't give an odor of. Next chemical test in Sumatra benzoin. Take ethereal solution in china dish. To this add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. It produces a dark brown in color. And in Siam benzoin, take ethereal solution in china dish. To this add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. It obtained a dark purple color. And then next test in Sumatra benzoin, take alcoholic solution of drug and add ferrichloride solution. No green color is produced due to absence of coniferyl benzoate. In Siam benzoin, green color is produced due to the presence of quantity of coniferyl benzoate. Uses of benzoin. Benzoin is used as an irritant, expectorant, carminative and diuretic, and it is externally used as antiseptic and protective, and it is also used in the form of compound tincture of benzoin and as an inhalation, especially in the treatment of upper respiratory infection. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand, but still you have any problem can comment. So we will continue rest of our topic in next video. Till then, like and subscribe.